Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabah Tariq and I am from class 6.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Alfur Rahman and I am from class 6.
It's our pleasure to welcome you all on Annual Sports Day. Our school always promoting healthy competitions for our fellows to become bright citizens of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Sports makes our life interesting, teach us to work hard and push our limits to reach new heights.
Sports teach discipline, respect, friendship, leadership, resilience, teamwork, and overcoming adversity. It is a crucial part of a student growth and development. The Boston School not only aims to improve our students' physical abilities, but also help them to learn a sense of good sportsmanship.
I would like to take this opportunity to extend the warm welcome to our chief guest, Malik Muhammad Asghar, member Pakistan Hockey Federation.
I would like to appreciate all these students for their presence, all fresh, happy, and excited about the performances which are about to start. I wish good luck to all these students participating in drill, races, march parts, and other performances. Also, I wish that you all may do your best. Thanks, Allah Hafiz.
I am delighted to declare the annual Sports Day open. Now I request it all to stand up for National Anthem of Islam.